As a child, I aspired to become a medical doctor. However, I stand before you today because I did not pass the entrance examination. My path to conservation, I believe, was guided by divine intervention. On a pivotal day, after failing another exam, I was on my way to university when I felt an overwhelming compulsion to switch my focus to ecology. This marked the beginning of a remarkable journey. Lake Ossa means a lot to me. This is where I started my career as a manatee researcher 16 years ago. Let me tell you, it's not easy to observe this shy animal in the wild. After searching unsuccessfully for manatee for 3 good months in Lake Ossa, I partnered with a local fisherman who took me in his wooden canoe and guided me through the lake where I finally observed my first manatee. The moment was just magic. It's like time had frozen. The most significant challenges these manatees have faced, aside from poaching, is habitat degradation. Imagine the despair of losing one's home and witnessing the familiar becoming unrecognizable. This was the fate of the African manatee in Lake Ossa, as the lake succumbed to the proliferation of an invasive aquatic weed. This ecological disaster was not something that we were prepared for. Nevertheless, we have successfully tackled it by teaming up with the local community. Now, we need to address the underlying cause of nutrient enrichment in the lake to restore it to its former glory as a wildlife heaven. Thank you to my team, to the local community we've been working with, my family, mentors, and the Whitley Fund for Nature for the support and the recognition. Thank you very much.